Alright, I'm Matt, and my presentation is on the effects of an asteroid. So, while I was on a cruise in Talkeetna, Alaska, all the kids that I would hang out with would go to the front of the boat and look at the stars at night, because it was a really clear sky. And when I laid down, I kept hearing, oh look, there's one. And then another person would say, there's one, but I would never see it because the sky is so big that you really can't see everything that's happening at once. So finally, when I did look up, I was looking in the right spot at the right time. I saw the shooting star, and I was just mesmerized by it, but I didn't say anything because I was so taken away by it. After this experience happened, I saw a movie called Deep Impact with Robert Duvall and his team, and he went, and in this movie, there's an asteroid that is coming on the path of the Earth, and they try to work with NASA and diverge it off its course or blow it up into a million pieces so that you would just see a million shooting stars all at once. And what they did was they tried to plant bombs on the asteroid to blow it up, but while doing this, they broke it up into two pieces, and the asteroid was a mile wide, so they broke it up into a half a mile, two giant sections of an asteroid, and in doing so, the first part of the asteroid hit the Earth, and it landed in the water, because most of the Earth is made up of water, and it caused a giant tsunami, and millions of people lost their lives due to this. But they had another problem, and that was the other part of the asteroid. So what they did was they had one nuclear bomb left on the aircraft that they were on. So they flew straight into it, and it exploded, and they were successful with that in causing many asteroid particles to be sent off into the atmosphere and break up. Part of what I learned was that an asteroid is a piece of space rock or debris that gets caught in the Earth's gravity and gets burned up in the atmosphere. And part of the asteroid that doesn't burn up in the asteroid and makes it to the surface is called a meteorite. As studies show, many asteroids are the size of houses and the size of cars. The size of cars would break up and cause a shooting star, but the size of houses would hit the ground, and something traveling at that speed is equivalent to 1 megaton bomb, which is a few thousand atomic bombs. And it would hit the ground at around 30,000 miles an hour. Purdue University has a website that they allow you to crunch in numbers and tell what would happen, what would the after effects of an asteroid if it were to hit the Earth. And I crunched in the numbers of an asteroid that's supposed to come within 1 lunar distance of the Earth in 2027. And it showed that if it did hit the Earth, it would probably cause a massive amount of dust, clouds, and it would technically be the effect of another ice age. And then therefore people would have to seek shelter in nuclear, fallout shelters, and all the plants would die, many animals would suffer, and there would be very slight chance of, the human race ever exceeding their, longevity. This is basically a mass extinction if it did hit the Earth, but thank you. That was